Okay, we are live. Okay, sorted. Okay, let's go, guys. Give me a hi in the chat. Okay. We're gonna wait for 3 to 4 minutes for everybody to join in. Till then, I would expect everybody who's watching to just write a hi in the chat. Hi, Chetan, how are you? Come on, guys. 8 people in the stream. At least write a hi in the chat. Hi, Ashmita Chakraborty. How are you? We'll wait. We'll wait for everybody to join in. Good evening, Siddharth. Come on, guys. I want everybody to just come up and write a hi. Hi, Subhash. Let's wait. And also, all those who are watching, if you could just send all your friends the link, it's going to be really good. Send all your friends the link to this session. It's going to be a really good session, and this session is particularly made for you guys. So basically, I will be making a project from scratch today, and the project will be chosen by you guys. So all those who are watching can stick along till the end if they want to kind of make a project with me. Okay. One more minute. Let's just just 1 minute time. Last 1 minute. Have you guys liked the stream? Did you guys hit the like button? Okay. So I guess we are good to go. We should start. So, welcome back to the stream, everybody. I'm Kabir Singh. I'm an avid coder. I am the founder at Jigsaw Minds. I've mentored 25,000 plus people over YouTube Live, and I have a teaching experience of 1 year. So, the subjects that I usually take are C++, Java, Flutter and Dart, HTML, CSS, DS Algo, then DBMS, SQL, etc. So basically, this entire course was about HTML, CSS. We are halfway through the course, just 2 days to go. So I decided to just add some twist to the streams and kind of make it more interesting so that we can kind of have more fun. So I will be asking you guys what to make. If you guys do not answer, I am gonna make what I thought. So pretty easy, pretty simple. So the career as a developer subscription comes for just 999 rupees for 1 year, and you can take it and get a lot of content in 999 rupees. So basically guidance and proper top product companies, top service companies, beating the odds and getting a good placement, life problem solving over the weekend projects, getting your project checkboxes checked out, etc. etc. would be coming in this subscription. Also, every Friday night at 10 p.m., Raja Vikramaditya, also known as Striver, aka Striver in the coding community, takes his live sessions, and basically he will be coming up and giving you sessions on college projects, reviewing your college projects, etc. etc. If you haven't liked the stream, hit the like button. I see a lot of new names, not a lot, but yeah, two to three people, and I guess all the names are new other than Chetan Mathur. So you can just join the Telegram channel for more information. Okay, are we good to go, guys? Yes or no? Are we ready? Give me a ready in the chat if you guys are ready. Okay, only Chetan Mathur is ready. I guess already there are only 7 people watching, and those 7 people are also not replying in the chat. That's pretty weird. So, okay, Subhash is also ready. Chetan and Subhash, a question for you. If you had to make a website right now, what would you like? What topic will you choose to make that website? Like, what is the topic that you would choose to make that website? Tell me. Hi, Munib. Welcome to the stream. Tell me, what topic would you choose? May it be a website that showcases artwork, or it can be a website that shows something random, maybe just giving you the info of different languages of coding. What would you make? You can write it up in the chat. If you have friends, you can call them up. We can make the projects together. Hello, Shabir. Thank you for coming to the stream. आई थिंक पोर्टफोलियो तो यार वैसे भी हमने पहले बनाया था अभी. नॉट आई गेस आई वोंट गो फॉर दैट. बट व्हाट एल्स कैन वी डू? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? व्हाट एल्स कैन वी मेक? Do you have something else that we can kind of build? It can be a website of the gym. It can be a website of anything, any random thing. It can be a website of a toy store. It can be a website of a gadget store, etc. etc. So, what do you think? Gym is the best, okay? If you say so. E-commerce side, okay. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, e-commerce website with payment gateway is a very big project. It cannot be made in the time of maybe 2 days or something. So I guess we should choose something because we have today's and tomorrow's time. Okay. So let's go for an index.html. Yeah, it's very, very long. Like way too long. Sir, food ordering website. Okay. वो भी कर सकते हैं. Like, give me an interesting idea, guys. Come on. We need to make something with an accumulative effort of 3 to 4 people. So yeah, e-library is good. Okay. YouTube type site. Okay. Let's make an e-library of streaming devices. Like basically what we can do is I got a very interesting idea. So we can make a website that is an e-library, okay, and that e-library is going to give you information to the devices and the hardware and the softwares that you need for streaming. Pretty good. Yeah, so if you want to live stream, you can go to that website and have a guidance on what all you can do. So it can give you mics, it can give you headphones, tablets, cameras, etc. etc. So knowledge about that. Yeah, good idea. Good idea, guys. Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no at least. Okay. Let's name our project as something called as maybe stream guide. We can name it as stream guide maybe. Let's name it stream guide. So this is our live server on which we'll be seeing our project. Then this is our code. So project code. Okay. Easy. Okay. So now what we are gonna do is basically make this project. So let's see what all we can do. So we can add a heading, we can add a nav bar, we can add some details, then etc etc. We can do a lot of things. Yeah. So let's start with this. So first of all, we need a logo. I'll use Unacademy's logo. Obviously, that's the easiest I can get. So are you guys ready to make it? Yes or no? Okay. So how it's gonna start basically is that inside your body, you will obviously have an app bar. So let's give it a ID. Let's give your nav bar an ID. Let's name it as class. Oh, sorry, we'll name it as nav bar. I'm sorry, my bad. And inside the nav bar, we need to give some more code so that we can code up our nav bar also. So inside our nav bar, we will give another division, and we'll tell that this division is going to store our logo. Easy. And our logo should be an image, obviously. So let me just bring up a logo. Let's keep this as the logo. Okay. So flutter.png is going to be our logo. So image tag source is going to be flutter.png. Alternative is going to be a logo. I guess that's enough. Let's hit a Control S. Let's check how our website looks. Okay, let me show it to you as well. Okay, this is how the website looks right now. The logo is very big, should be of a small size, come on the top left, and it says stream guide over there. So this is just a sample project. You can use your idea and make this project better. Okay, this is just a sample project on how you can add images, etc, etc. Understood? Yes or no? Okay, let's go. So now the thing is that basically we need to decrease the size of our image. So let's make a class in our image, and let's say logo image, so that we can just create our style.css. Yeah, because obviously we need to style our what do you call sheet. Okay, so we need to link our style sheet now. Hit Control S and just say dot logo image, and in our logo image our height of the image should be 50 pixels and the width of the image should be 50 pixels. Let's hit Control S. See if our image goes a little small. Oh yes, it does. But I guess the image is perfect now. Just a small image on the top left. I would rather like to increase the size from 50 to maybe 70. Better. Hit a Control S. Check it out. Check if the size increases. Yes, it does. And now we need the background color of the nav bar. Okay. So looks good till now. Yes or no? Give me a yes or a no, people. Come on, let's see who is watching the stream with all his or her attention. Okay, nobody. Okay, Subhash is watching and Chetan is watching. Good, good, good. So now one more thing which I've been telling you guys since the first day of our session. Anytime you do not get what to do, like obviously you guys go through situations in which you don't know what to do. Like what if I am a person who does not know how to color a nav bar? Okay, so how to set color of a nav bar in HTML. That's all. That's all you have to do. Hit this. How can I change the nav bar color, background color? And you'll get a lot of things which will tell you how you can change the color. Understood? Yes or no? Hi, Nikita. Chalo. So basically, now what we are gonna do? Come back to our project, and we need to add some columns. Like we need to add different things. Like what are the things gonna be? So it's gonna be what is streaming, then it's gonna be hardware needed, then it's gonna be software, then it's gonna be tips and tricks, then it's gonna be contact us. I guess that's good. Yes or no? Chalo. So now what we are gonna do, we are gonna come in our index.html. I'm gonna hide this project now. Yes. And इसके अंदर after our division but inside our nav bar. So this thing which we are going to do now stays inside our nav bar but outside the division that has the logo. Hi Sabita. And now we are going to use the UL tag. Can somebody tell me what is UL? Anybody who can tell me what is the UL tag in HTML? Unordered list. That's a perfect answer. We will be using the unordered list tag to give an unordered list in our project. Okay, and we need a list of things that our project is going to show or our project is going to deliver. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? So let's get started. Talking about this, we need different links. Okay, different links. So Control Z. We. So I guess 6 links are enough. So the first link is going to tell us what, not what is streaming, it's going to be like about. The second is going to show the hardware. The third is going to show the software. The fourth is going to show some tips. The fifth is going to show some famous people. And the last is going to be contact us. So again, the project that we are making does not make sense. Again, I'm going to be very honest, because obviously this website is not, see, obviously this project is not thought upon. It's just a random idea that came to my mind and I thought, let's make it up. So this is what you should do. Think of a random idea, make a small project, keep practicing coding in that. Okay. So the people who are new right now, what we are like, who just joined late, we are actually making a streaming website that actually tells you what are the hardware, softwares, tips you can do to have a better streaming setup. That's all. Understood? Chalo. Moving forward. Let's see if I have to use the link. Okay, I messed up one thing. I didn't use the A tag. So I'll have to control X and control V things over here. Same goes for this. Control X and control V it over here. better. And we are not going to give it any links, so we'll use hashtag in href. ठीक है, और लिंक का क्लास जो होगा उसको बोल देते हैं आइटम. ठीक है, सो कंट्रोल Z, कंट्रोल C. बेटर, कंट्रोल S करते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस इन आवर प्रोजेक्ट. Not very sure on what's gonna happen. So where is our project? Okay, so that's how our project looks right now. It's like links, and I don't think it's very beautiful right now because I prefer something better. ठीक है, थोड़ा अच्छे से कोड करते हैं इसको. आई एम नॉट वेरी सेटिस्फाइड विद द डिजाइन, and I want something better, and I want something more beautiful. Yes, obviously it's not very beautiful, and the people who are watching me from July, I like the code and the output both to be beautiful. Okay, putting them in the same line, that's what you want. Yes. Along the image. Okay. One sec. चलो ठीक है, तो we can now start styling our nav bar. So let's get to our nav bar now. We need to code it up. ठीक है, so the display should be flex. ठीक है, display should be flex in our nav bar. Now the people who are gonna ask me, sir, what is flex, then what is all this, I'll tell you one sec. I'll tell you after a while, like after I'm done coding this. We'll align all our elements to the center. Not bad. Yes or no? Yes or no, people? Give me a yes or no. Okay. So again, we are almost there. ठीक है. Also, the position should be set for our nav bar as absolute. Sec. Position absolute. Select unordered list. Okay, why do you want me to select the unordered list? Why do you want me to select the unordered list? Like for what? Select the li and then what do what? Like write one message so that I understand what you're doing, like what you're expecting me to do. Sorry, it's mistake. It's okay, it's okay. No issues. Chalo. Now we will code the unordered list also. तो जो हमारा nav bar का unordered list है उसको भी कोड कर देते हैं, ठीक है. सो उसका भी डिस्प्ले जो होगा फ्लेक्स हो जाएगा. Then I don't think we should give it a list style, so let's keep the list style as none. And what else? Let's okay. I am so sorry, I'm not showing you the entire code. Yeah, so the font size should be around 25 pixels. I think the control S. Okay, so I guess somebody told me, who told me, worship demon. So you wanted me to put them in one line. I put them in one line. I need to still style them up, but at least they're in one single line, not in two different lines. Okay. So we'll still style them up. We have not finished up the styling, but almost there. Chalo. Why use hashtag give padding? One sec. Give me one sec. What kind of padding do you want, Chetan Mathur? कैसी padding की बात कर रहे हो? कौन सा padding? मतलब where do you want the padding to be? Okay, coming back to worship demons question. Basically, whenever you use something like a nav bar or a property like this, like see when you're coding a different class, okay, that's a different thing. But when you're coding for a nav bar, you are using a predefined property kind of a thing. That's where the hashtag comes into the picture. Understood? Right side set करने के लिए because it's not a div, right? It's a this thing. If you check over here, it's an ID. So when you go for your div, you use dot and your div ka ID or div ka name. But when you go for a nav or a predefined property or kuch, then you use hashtag. आईडी को सिलेक्ट करने के लिए हैशटैग लगता है. हाँ, आईडी को सिलेक्ट, बट अगर मैं अभी भी लोगो को सिलेक्ट करूंगा तो मैं कैसे करूंगा? हैशटैग लगा के या डॉट लगा के? किसने बोला था ये? सिद्धार्थ. अगर मेरे को लोगो सिलेक्ट करना है, इफ आई वांट टू सिलेक्ट लोगो, should I put a hashtag or should I put a dot? चलो ठीक है, तो अभी इट लुक्स गुड, बट सर डॉट नहीं, हैशटैग यूज होगा. अगर यहाँ का लोगो भी चाहिए तो हैशटैग यूज होगा, क्योंकि जब हम क्लास करते हैं When we select the class, we use dot. When we select logo, it's the id, तो वो हैशटैग ही यूज होगा. ठीक है. जैसे अगर मेरे को अभी लोगो को मार्जिन आउट करना है तो मैं क्या करूंगा, हैशटैग लोगो एंड देन मार्जिन. ठीक है. और मार्जिन देने के बाद इसको बोल दूंगा कि लेफ्ट साइड से 3 पिक्सल का मार्जिन ले ले एंड टॉप से तो 10 पिक्सल्स का मार्जिन ले ले. दैट्स ऑल. कंट्रोल एस. सी इट चेंजेस और नॉट. चलो ठीक है. गिव पैडिंग फॉर स्पेस बिटवीन लोगो एंड नैव बार. लोगो और नैव बार के बीच में स्पेस नहीं है क्या? है तो सी इतने. लोगो, नैव बार और लोगो के बीच में कितनी जगह है देखो, ऑलरेडी है. थोड़ा और, थोड़ा और बहुत वियर्ड लगेगा. वो क्या होगा ना, अभी रुको मैं एक काम करता हूँ. यू आर नॉट एबल टू सी द एक्चुअल पेज ना. देखो ये फुल साइज है. अब मैं फुल साइज करके, ये देखो फुल साइज में ये ऐसा दिखता है. तो एकदम परफेक्ट जितना स्पेस होना चाहिए उतना ही है. आई थिंक और स्पेस करेंगे तो ये बहुत राइट में हो जाएगा. अभी तुम लोग छोटे में देख रहे हो तो तुम्हें कम लग रहा है, बट एक्चुअल जो बड़ा स्क्रीन साइज है उसमें, और अभी क्या है ये सब एक साथ दिख रहा है तुम्हें. अभी ये अलग 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 होगा तो वो थोड़ा और स्प्रेड आउट हो जाएगा. अंडरस्टूड. अंडरस्टूड पीपल. चलो आगे चले. चल. So this is your thing. Now we can also add some thing to the links. ठीक है. Before we go to the this thing separation, we should add some links, some design to the links. तो यहाँ पे ही before this I'll start hashtag navbar. ठीक है. उसके URL के लिंक के ए टैग के अंदर हमारे को कोड करना है. एंड द कलर शुड बी वाइट, नॉट वाइट, आई गेस कलर शुड बी ब्लैक. कलर क्यों नहीं आया? कलर शुड बी ब्लैक. कलर ब्लैक हो गया. then there should be some padding obviously. So every link, every a tag should have some padding that is from the left. It should have 12 pixels around. राइट से भी उतना ही 10-12 पिक्सल्स. ठीक है. ये होने के बाद वी नीड टू ऐड सम मोर थिंग्स. ठीक है. एक उसका डिस्प्ले शुड बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ ब्लॉक. इट शुड बी इन द फॉर्म ऑफ अ ब्लॉक सो दैट everything is shown differently. Correct. And the border radius of that block, there should be some border radius, means it should look beautiful, it should be curved. So the border radius should be around कितना 12 पिक्सल्स रख लेते हैं इसको भी. कंट्रोल एस करते हैं. लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. ओके ब्यूटीफुल, लुक्स गुड. अब जरूरत लग रही है, टेल मी. ठीक है. All good. I guess it looks better. It looks very much that we expected. Looks like very much that we expected. So I guess काफी सही है. चलो तो अब what else should we do? I guess this looks good. Yes, में और भी कुछ ऐड करना है. अच्छा लग रहा है. You know, this is the best way of programming when. अच्छा होवर भी चाहिए तुम्हें कि इसके ऊपर हवर करे तो कुछ हो. अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं हो रहा हवर करने पे. But I guess I'll be very honest, guys. When you make projects like this, when you're coding along with ideas of the chat, it turns out to be really good. क्योंकि there are a lot of brains that are being used. ठीक है. Remove the underline. Why? Looks good. Underline looks good. Okay, color the nav bar. Okay. So let's see. Okay, now I'll show you what you should do when you don't know how to programming. Okay. What do you want to do? You want to color the nav bar. Go inside the nav bar and check if there is any background color or something. There's background color. Let's try if we add a beige background color. Does it come there? Or let's say if we go for a gray background color. If we go for a gray background color, does it come? Control S. Let's see. Does it come or not? Okay, it does. It does come. But it's not on the entire website. So I'll say, I'll type it over here. My background color of navbar in HTML is not on the entire page. Okay. Now I'll have to check what they say. So they're like width 100%. ठीक है, ये नहीं किया हमने, width 100% नहीं किया. Let's see. ठीक है, this is what you should do. Try things. Right here, width 100%. Hit Control S. See the project. Where did it go? It came. Understood? So this is what you should do. You should always and always explore stuff. Try finding out the solution to your problems on your own when you're programming. I was planning to keep a series of making a project only by using Google search. No prior knowledge, only Google search. So if you want me to do something like that, you can tell me. I'll come up with that also. ठीक है, तो nav bar का कलर क्या चाहिए और टेक्स्ट का कलर क्या चाहिए. Adding Google search on the, you want to add Google search over here on the right, like right of the website. Okay, यही करते हैं. Can I how to add Google search bar, how to add Google search in HTML page. देखते हैं होता है या नहीं है. Okay. Smoke white for text. Smoke white for text. रुको. I don't know smoke white color होगा इसमें या नहीं. अब देखो स्मोक व्हाइट कलर नहीं है ना यहाँ पे, तो इधर जाओ एंड जस्ट सर्च हैशटैग ऑफ स्मोक व्हाइट कलर. हैशटैग F5 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 वाइट स्मोक. अच्छा वाइट स्मोक है रहा. हाँ कंट्रोल एस. प्रोजेक्ट में कैसा लग रहा है? ओके. स्मोक वाइट स्मोक कलर. प्रिटी गुड कलर चॉइस चेतन माथुर. ठीक है चलो ये हो गया. अच्छा व्हाट वाज द नेक्स्ट थिंग व्हिच वी हैड टू डू? What was the next thing? Tell me. Acha, do you know one thing? You can link your pages in this. So if I go to my HTML CSS, like if I go to my page over here, and I just make a new page and I'll say new file and make it as about.html. ठीक है. अगर मैंने ये कर लिया तो इधर href में if I write about.html and यहाँ पे I just write over here that in the body this, okay, I'll say h1, this is an about site, just a normal thing, and I hit Control S over here and I hit Control S over here. So if I go to my project now and I just go to click on about, so if I click on about I go to this page. समझ रहे हो? तो this is an HTML file which you can code differently with the help of your skills. और यहां से ऐसे जाओ. ठीक है. Understood? So आज in the next like today and tomorrow we'll complete this. We are just making a raw project, so we'll still think of what we need to name this project. ठीक है. So let's do one thing. Let's make a portfolio kind of a website with this, but let's keep it of different pages. So it will be about, like I'll make it about me. So it will be about me, then it will have YouTube, then it will have no, I guess I'm bored with that. Let's go with this only. Flutter वाला अभी, like the streaming वाला thing बाद में देखते हैं क्या करेंगे. Like I'm pretty bored out with those things. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's try and implement one new thing in this, and that will be that if we hover over the text, hover over this about.html and hover over anything about hardware and all, it should create a box. Okay, So if we hover over the text, what happens? ठीक है, so वापस से यहाँ पे जाएंगे nav, ठीक है, हैशटैग navbar, ठीक है, navbar के अनऑर्डर्ड लिस्ट के लिंक के ए टैग में हमें hover को कोड करना है, ठीक है, we need to code up the hover. So after we hover on this, the text of the color should go to black, क्योंकि background color will become maybe beige, ठीक है. Again padding will be there, 12 pixels, then 4 pixels, just tentative, not gonna consider a lot. Display will be again block, and your border radius भी डाल देते हैं. चलो, let's hit Control S. So I have coded the hover also and before hover also. So before hovering there will be something else, and after hovering there will be something else, ठीक है. Understood? Let's check it out. Let's see if it works. I'm not sure. So are you ready to hover over the things? Let's see. Let's hover over about. Okay. Working. Hardware. Software. Tips. Famous people contact us. Pretty good. You hover and it works. Yes. So who told me to set the hover thingy? चेक करते हैं, किसी ने बोला था. बहुत ऊपर चला गया वो टेक्स्ट, बट आई डोंट नो. Somebody told me to add the hover thing, and now you click it, you'll get this. ठीक है. Okay, worship demon. So good, not bad. Yes. Now we need to add some text and different pages, and let's see what all we can do. So let's do one thing. Sir, BSc CS थर्ड ईयर के लिए प्लेलिस्ट में एक्सेस कर लो. आई डिडंट गेट यू कल्याणम, समझ नहीं आया क्या कह रहे हो. नहीं समझ आया, क्या बोल रहे हो आप? But this looks good, guys. Not gonna lie, it looks pretty nice to me. समझ नहीं आया मेरे को, वापस बोलो. तो अब क्या करना है, बेसिकली वी हैव टू डिसाइड, ठीक है. तो अब हम बैठ के सोचेंगे. ड्रॉप डाउन एंड अबाउट. अच्छा, यू वांट अ ड्रॉप डाउन मेन्यू अबाउट द अबाउट थिंगी. तो फिर ड्रॉप डाउन में क्या आएगा? चलो एक काम करते हैं, वैसे भी वी हैव 2 सेशंस ना, तो ऑब्वियसली जो लोग अभी हैं दे नो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग. सो ऑब्वियसली यू विल कम बैक इन 15 मिनट्स, मतलब वो 6 o'clock को जाओगे तो यू विल कम बैक बाय what 6:15. तो थिंक फॉर 15 मिनट्स कि क्या बनाना है, क्या बना सकते हैं. तो आई गेस वी शुड मेक समथिंग ऑफ आवर इंडस्ट्री. सो लेट्स मेक अ कोडिंग ऐप, कोडिंग वेबसाइट. So we have just made a hard website right now. It's not a very explanatory thing. We can always change the project. So let's keep it a coding website. Let's keep it about, let's say, different languages that we have. Then after the languages, sir, मैं अभी आपका क्लास देखा हूँ, पिछला क्लास छूट गया है मेरा. इस साल बीएससी थर्ड ईयर में गया हूँ तो उसके लिए मैं ये प्लेलिस्ट सेव कर दूँ? हाँ कर लो, यू कैन डू इट। बट वेब डेव का इतना ज़्यादा कंटेंट आया नहीं है, इट्स अ क्रैश कोर्स, सो आई गेस यू शुड गो फॉर ऐप डेव starting Monday. So I am starting a app development course this Monday. I am going to teach how to code this thing. क्लब हाउस वाले ऐप को कैसे बनाते हैं मैं वो दिखाने वाला हूँ, सो यू कैन कम अप एंड डिस्कस दैट विद मी. Languages in drop down menu, after clicking we direct to a coding area for that language. सी कोडिंग एरिया तो नहीं हो पाएगा क्योंकि कोडिंग एरिया में तुम्हारा बैकएंड आ जाता है, तुम्हें टर्मिनल अटैच करना पड़ेगा. बट हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अबाउट रखते हैं, ठीक है, अबाउट के बाद लैंग्वेजेस रखते हैं, लैंग्वेजेस के बाद वीडियोस रखते हैं वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल्स के लिए, और नोट्स रखते हैं, और लास्ट में कॉन्टैक्ट अस. तो ये एक फेमस पीपल हटा देते हैं बस, फेमस पीपल का कोई काम नहीं है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. अब ये क्या करेंगे, आई विल कीप इट सेंट्रिक टू माई वीडियोस, मैं अपने वीडियोस को इस पे डालता हूँ, लेट्स सी कैसा होता है, ठीक है. चलो ठीक है, ये भी हो गया, तो ठीक है. वी आई गिव यू a 15-minute break now, ठीक है. 15 minutes में go have a cup of coffee, cup of tea, come back with a good idea on what we can do. Like worship demon is giving very good ideas, I'll also think of some good ideas, you also think of some good ideas, we'll combine all our ideas, ठीक है. सब लोग अपने अपने आइडियाज को कंबाइन करेंगे and then we'll see how it goes, ठीक है. Give me a yes or a no, people. Give me a yes or a no. Okay. So I'll be meeting you exactly in 15 minutes. It's 5:59 right now. You will be back here by 6:15. Those who want the link to this video or the link to my session, which is going to be there on at 6:15, join the Telegram channel. So I guess Chetan, Worship Demon, you guys are already there in the Telegram channel, right? Subhash, you're there in the Telegram channel? Are you guys there in the Telegram channel? Worship Demon is there. Chetan, are you there in the Telegram channel? Chetan तो I guess is in my LinkedIn contacts, पता नहीं, है ना. चलो, तो I'll see you in exactly 15 minutes, ठीक है. Come back because I want your ideas. I want you guys to open up and speak your ideas so that I can help you to make good projects and be okay. Subhash, link is there in the description. You can join the Telegram channel to get access to the links. I'll send the live link to the Telegram channel, ठीक है. Come back in exactly 15 minutes. ऐसे जाओ ऐसे आओ and let's have fun in the next class. Bye bye guys.